everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zoom page in Microsoft Word. Need to zoom in or out in Microsoft Word for a better visibility. I'll show you 3 easy ways to control the zoom levels. Just follow these few simple steps with me and you'll be able to zoom in and zoom out of your document in no time. The first step is to use the zoom slider. Now before we start, we have to create a new document, and to do that just go to Word and then click on Home and then click on New and select Blank Document. Now here, as you can see, at the bottom right corner of the Word, you're gonna find the zoom slider. This is the one right here. You can drag right to zoom in or drag left to zoom out. Or you can press the plus or minus button to control the zoom levels. The second step is to use the View tab for precise zooming. And to do that, just go to the View section right here and click on it and select the loop, the zoom which has the loop icon. And here you're gonna select a preset zoom level, for example 100% or 200%, or you can even enter your custom zoom. For example, I'm gonna enter 60% and I'm gonna click on it. And as you can see, it became 60% zoom level. The third step is to use keyboard shortcut. Now for Windows and Mac, in Windows you're gonna click on Control and then scroll the wheel. As you can see, I'm just pressing Control on my keyboard and I'm scrolling the wheel on my mouse. It's the same thing for Mac users, only you're gonna have to click on CMD in place of Control in Windows. You can also click Control 0 to reset zoom level to 100, as you can see. You can use page width zoom for an optimized reading view, and if zoom in doesn't work, check your mouse settings for scroll behavior. And that's how you zoom in or out in Word. Use the zoom slider in the View tab or keyboard shortcuts for easy control. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.